Hello guys, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of how to learn mechanical drawing in Revit. Okay, we're able to prep up some floor plan, not really a floor plan, some walls if I can say, so that we can show an example on how it's done. So okay, now let's see. We were able to, if you can remember, we brought in some families, so these families will use it accordingly in this project. Okay, let's start with this floor plan first, since we already have this family loaded in our architectural template. Now let's go to plumbing fixtures, tap on it. Now you see the other time we pressed on it and it was informing us that we do not have any plumbing fixture imported, so now we have some plumbing fixtures imported. So what do you want to use? You see, this is, let's say it's our sink. So this sink will, I think it will have two types of variable, how will I say, two types of piping, maybe hot and cold. Okay, so this, and there is drainage plumbing too. Okay, now let's go for our cold. Press on it. Nice. Is a face based. If you can see, it's a face based, vertical face based. If we want it to be horizontal, we can put it on the ground just like this, just like so. Okay, if we want to paste it or put it on a plane. Okay, now let's start with vertical. So this vertical, what is our offset? We do not want it to be at 0.00 on the ground. I want it to be a bit higher elevation here. Okay, we would like it to be, our countertop is normally 900, so the supply of water should be about 700. Okay, let's press in 700 for instance. Okay, and then put it here. Nice. Now it will, you can't really see it, but if you put it at wireframe, you can now see it. And let's start piping. If I would say, you see here, there is a mistake I made when I was trying to learn how to do this thing. I'm not really a pro right now, but I know a bit about how to do it. Okay, when I was trying to do it, I tried drawing. You see, it's showing me I can't continue, I can't proceed. Okay, Control Z to undo. I've learned how to figure out how to do it. So we'll go to edit, and here edit this. If you can see, all the connectors is not available here to our piping, like the cross, the T, all those connectors. So we will have to put it here. Let's press on it. We already imported the connectors, if you can remember. Just get them all. Just get them all. This I did not. This cap. Okay, now for the sizes, all here too. For the sizes, all. For the sizes, also all. All. Nice, and press on OK, and OK. Now that problem has been solved. Your pipe will be connected accordingly. It's telling me Revit could not find a matching pipe segment for the pipe type default. No problem. You see, it's not showing me that it cannot be drawn. You see, now I have this elbow. If I want to drop it downwards of about, let's see, 500, so since it's 700, let's make it 500, or let's make it 400, and then press on it. So this sign here is showing you that our pipe is going downwards. Okay, and you can continue all the way to where you want it, and that's it. It's quite easy. If you want to see your pipes, you can either use on click here, you can see it's a bit thick, or here press it on fine. Now you can see this is our piping. Okay, let me show you this work in 3D. Let me just go to the elevation. I think it should be south elevation. Make it wireframe, and let's see. Okay, it should be fine so that you can see it. Okay, you see what I mean? Here it's our starting point, which is at level 700, and as soon as it goes up, I bring it down to 400, and then here it's the ending point. So if we, for example, we want what will I say, a branch here, you can do it at your floor plan, but the most easiest way I find is just click on piping again and choose where you want it to go. Now you have your branch. See, now you have your branch. It's very easy and very simple. You don't have to be stressed about it. You see, it's very easy. Let's see, we would like to put stop, or is it valve? Yeah, valve, that's the right word. We'd like to put a valve there. Maybe let's say here. You just click on this place, it will tell you it has not been loaded into the project. So go back to metric, find plumbing, I think, no, pipe, I think so. Yeah, here, valves. So which type of valve do you want? Float valve, gate valve, globe valve? If you're really a mechanical engineer, you all know this, but seriously, I don't know all of them. The one I only know, I think, is just gate valve, because I'm used to it when I was in school. And click on it. You see, we have our gate valve installed in the wall. So it's very simple, and you can really understand it. You see, this is the connector. This is how will I say, this is what brings in the water. This is what brings in the water, if I'm not mistaken. So let's try out another different connector. It's still the same thing. You just select a different connector. For example, fixture, just select let's say hot water. You see, it's still the same thing. It's nothing different. And let's see if we want a sanitary connector to the face on ground. It's not really a face on ground, but let's leave it that way. You see, click on this, click on this, and then you will have auto root solution was found. Okay, I do not really know what's wrong with this one. I think I should have set it downwards to 300. To 400. Tap on it. Wow. So the segment is being drawn from the wrong side of the channel. I don't really know what's wrong. I don't really know what's wrong with it. So okay, let me show you why that other part is more advantage, has more advantage than this part. Is because this I will have to put it my own self, to be frank. Let me show you. Here I will just load the main insert load family. I will load the main plumbing MEP. Okay, I will just load the main equipments, the main fixtures. You see, for example, the bathtub. Which type of bathtub do I want? Let's say this one. Press on OK, and then go to system, plumbing fixtures. Here is my bathtub. Click on it. Now you see I have both my hot water, my cold water, my hot water, and my drainage all in one. You see, I will just have to put it here, and then sorry. You see, it's going according to as you want. So it's quite simple. As soon as you create, and it will just create your own angle. If you want the hot water, just press on it and then press on this place. Then some people do join it, some people don't. Some have the heater here. Okay, so anything is possible. So for the drainage, I do not know why. I don't know how. I don't really know how to do it. I am not a pro on this aspect, to be frank. Okay, now I get it. It does not support what's the name, a 90 degrees in a wireframe. It does not support a 90 degrees. You see, it doesn't support a 90 degrees flow. It only supports an angular flow. I forgot about that. What do I mean? You know, if you have your plumbing for the basin or for any sanitary appliance, that's the wastewater going out of the bathtub or the wash hand basin or anything, it's supposed to be at an angle direction, so at an angle, so that the movement or the flow of the water will go straight to the exchange chamber. Because this, if it is not at an angle direction, it will obviously come back into the bathtub. So that's the theory, that's the logic behind it. Okay, you see, that's the logic behind it. I really forgot about that. Okay, guys, this is how to mechanically plumb your house. It's quite a hectic job, but if you know how to put these elbows, not manually, automatically, no problem. The way I showed you, if it's telling you that you don't have fixtures loaded into the into your project, you need to load in the fixtures, then put it the way I showed you. You will not have any problem. All the elbows and the T junctions will all come out. Okay guys, I hope this video is a bit helpful to you. I don't know, maybe it is, maybe it is not, but at least you have an idea on how it's done or how it's supposed to be done. Okay, let's meet tomorrow same time and let's try out electrical aspect of Revit and see if it's also interesting. But seriously, if you will understand this, I think you can plumb your entire house. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see same time tomorrow. Goodbye.